This is Singapore, the place that you can. Singapore is the lovely place to stay. Wherever you want, you can do. See? There? Here? This is Singapore. This is Paya Lebar Road. I love Singapore. I've been working here for 33 years. It's a nice place. Yummy food and friendly people and very safe. That's why I love to Singapore too. Very quiet, very clean, and very peaceful. Nice weather, no crime, nothing. Your life is safer here to live. This is my second home. I love Singapore very, very much. There we go. The weather today is not so hot. Nice weather. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Where? Look. Very quiet. See, very clean.
You see very quiet. I see rolling the bus there. You see very quiet.
My